On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram white screen. So hello guys, in this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. All what you have to do is make sure to watch the video until the end. So the first thing we have to do is just go to the settings on your phone like this and then go down to the apps manager as you can see. Now after that, all what you have to do is click again on the apps here. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Just scroll down until you find Instagram. After you find Instagram, click on it, and then right here on this page you will find the app informations. All what you have to do is just go to the data usage, make sure that you enable the Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now click on force stop. And the last thing you have to do is make sure that you have the last version of Instagram and then restart your phone. And congratulations, don't forget to like, subscribe.